Get ready for massive market moves because Intel, Micron, and Qualcomm shares have all hit all-time highs at the open. The AI chip boom is officially unstoppable, and these three giants are leading the charge, sending a clear signal that the demand for cutting-edge silicon is exploding across the entire tech ecosystem. We start with Intel, which saw a huge single-day gain following reports of a potential chip manufacturing partnership with Apple, adding a massive $25 billion to its market cap in one session. This development signals deep integration into the future of computing, and we're diving into exactly what that partnership means for Intel's trajectory.
Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to hold it with one hand? The PopSocket's Pop Grip gives you a secure grip, works as a phone stand, and even lets you swap the top for a fresh new look. Simple, useful, and perfect for everyday phone use. Click the link in the comments to grab yours on Amazon.
Next up, we look at Micron, the memory powerhouse that is absolutely essential for this AI revolution. Micron's stock has more than doubled in value year-to-date in 2026, driven by structural shortages in high-bandwidth memory, or HBM. This specialized memory is the backbone required to run massive AI workloads at scale, and Micron is positioned perfectly to supply it. We'll break down why this memory bottleneck is so critical right now, and what it means for the supply chain moving forward. Then we turn to Qualcomm, rounding out this semiconductor trifecta with a huge 15% jump on May 7th. Qualcomm just announced a major AI partnership with OpenAI, focusing on their latest Snapdragon chips designed for edge AI devices. These chips are processing AI tasks locally, and get this, they also support blockchain applications, making Qualcomm a dual-threat player across both the AI and crypto infrastructure landscapes. Find out how this collaboration is setting up a powerful hardware pipeline for decentralized networks. And finally, we look ahead to the future with China's next-gen chips. Lungsun Technology has officially announced that their 3B6600 processor and 9A1000 graphics chip are on track for the retail market in 2027, aiming to match performance parity with Intel's 12th gen and AMD's RX 550. Chairman and General Manager Hu Weiwu confirmed the 3B6600 is ready for tape-out, signaling a serious challenge to the U.S. silicon leaders. Don't miss the full breakdown of this massive technological race, and subscribe now for all the deep dives. A significant surge in the semiconductor sector, driven by escalating artificial intelligence demand, has propelled shares of Intel, Micron, and Qualcomm to all-time highs, creating a ripple effect across adjacent markets, including cryptocurrency infrastructure. This trifecta of semiconductor giants opened at record levels on May 11, signaling sustained investor confidence in the AI chip boom. Intel experienced a substantial single-day gain following reports of a potential manufacturing partnership with Apple, adding approximately $25 billion to its market capitalization in one session. Micron's stock has seen remarkable growth, more than doubling in value year-to-date in 2026, primarily fueled by structural shortages in high-bandwidth memory, HBM, a critical component for scaling AI workloads. Micron is positioned as a key supplier, capable of meeting this intense demand. Qualcomm joined the rally with a 15% jump after announcing an AI collaboration with OpenAI. This partnership focuses on integrating Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon chips for edge AI devices, enabling local processing of AI tasks. Crucially, these chips also support blockchain applications, positioning Qualcomm as a dual-threat player across both the AI and crypto infrastructure landscapes. The connection between semiconductors and crypto is increasingly tangible. Intel has a history in this space, having developed blockchain accelerators since 2022 to lower the energy costs of digital asset validation. Furthermore, Qualcomm holds patents for secure blockchain communications, and Micron supplies memory essential for efficient crypto mining operations. The industry outlook is robust, with projections showing global semiconductor sales to exceed $1 trillion by 2026 and reaching $1.3 trillion by 2030, driven significantly by AI and crypto demand. analysts maintain a positive outlook for Intel and Micron, anticipating continued growth contingent on persistent AI adoption. Meanwhile, there is growing interest in tokenized versions of these equities on crypto trading platforms, allowing blockchain-native traders exposure to traditional markets. However, caution remains, as the current valuations suggest optimism is already heavily priced in. Any slowdown in AI adoption or unforeseen supply constraints in HBM could lead to rapid corrections in these high-flying stocks. Texas recruiting Intel. On3 highlights a scouting trip to Manville High School, where Channel YouTube visited to assess the talent pool under head coach Kirk Martin. The visit focused on the significant talent present at Manville, notably featuring Texas commit Greedy James. While James is currently the sole Texas commit identified, observers suggest that the program holds potential for further recruitment success in the coming years. A new resource from Dell Technologies, detailed in their AI Kitchen brochure, is making advanced artificial intelligence accessible to everyday users through practical, easy-to-follow recipes. This initiative focuses on leveraging AI PC solutions powered by Intel Core Ultra processors to enable on-device large language model (LLM) execution. The core promise of this approach is to empower users to run sophisticated AI tasks directly on their devices, eliminating the need for constant internet connectivity or reliance on cloud services. This capability allows users to complete work securely and independently write on their hardware. The AI recipe book serves as a guide, demystifying complex AI concepts by providing actionable steps for running LLMs locally. The content highlights the synergy between Dell Technologies hardware and Intel Core Ultra processors as the foundation for this decentralized, powerful AI experience. China's fabless chipmaker Lungsun Technology is positioning its next-generation silicon to directly challenge established leaders like Intel and AMD, targeting a market entry in 2027. According to reports from IT Home, Lungsun has announced that its 3B6600 processor and 9A1000 graphics chip are on track for retail availability in 2027. While acknowledging they may not surpass top-tier offerings, the company claims performance parity with Intel's 12th-generation Alder Lake CPUs and AMD's Radeon RX 550 graphics card, respectively. The 3B6600 processor, the successor to the 3A6000, has completed its design phase and is now ready for tape-out, with delivery anticipated in the second half of the year. The chip utilizes the Lung Arch ISA and Lungsun's latest LA864 execution cores, reportedly delivering a 30% instruction per cycle (IPC) improvement over previous cores. It is configured with 8 cores and 16 threads, supporting DDR5 memory, PCIe 4, and HDMI 2.1. Early benchmarks suggest the 3B6600 competes favorably with Intel's Core i5 and Core i7 chips. Concurrently, the 9A1000 graphics chip, an entry-level card, is also nearing completion. Development began in 2023, and after taping out in September 2025, Lungsun confirmed during an earnings call that it is in the final delivery stages. The 9A1000 aims to match the performance of the aging Radeon RX 550. Lungsun's strategy hinges on leveraging a proprietary manufacturing process, utilizing a mature 12nm process node. This choice is strategic, as it allows production to continue despite China's exclusion from EUV tools necessary for smaller process nodes like 7nm and below, ensuring high yields for the domestic market. Beyond CPUs and GPUs, Lungsun is expanding its portfolio, with high-performance 9A2000 and 9A3000 graphics cards already in design. Furthermore, the company is exploring strategic expansion into the memory chip market, partnering with others to co-develop logic silicon wafers for high-bandwidth memory, HBM, to capitalize on the AI wave.